Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm gonna do the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. So we are having multiple news in Euro and USD today, but there is no high impact news into the market today. So most likely I'm anticipating the price not to be much volatile like yesterday it was. So let's move to the charts. So this is the monthly chart and the price was having equal lows. The price swept these equal lows and broke this high. This gave us a strong low. The price reacted from this strong low but couldn't break this high. Rather, it broke below the low. This gave us a bearish bias into the monthly time frame. So after breaking the low, the price retraced back to this area over here where the candle had taken the high of the previous monthly candle, making this a strong zone of reaction. The price reacted from this strong zone and moved into the downward direction but couldn't break below all these equal lows. Rather, it swept it. This sweeping of the equal lows pushed the market into the upside direction, and currently it's reacting somewhere from here and moving into the downward direction. So there is nothing more to say into the monthly. Let's move to the weeklies now. So this is the weekly chart, and we can see that the price reacted from this unmitigated candle over here, which was responsible for the bearish move into the market. So we moved into the downward direction, and this was the last unmitigated area from where the price is actually reacting right now, and we have swept the lows. So the bias is still not clear, so let's move to the dailies now. So this is the daily chart, and we can see that the order flow was being maintained right here. So this was the last unmitigated wick which was following the order flow. So most likely if we are going to go down, we are going to respect this high and then move into the downward direction. So let's move to the 4 hours now. So this is the 4-hour chart, and we can see that this was the reaction point or the unmitigated order block which had taken the liquidity, and the price moved from here into the downward direction. So currently what do we have? We are having equal lows right at this zone, since everything right here is mitigated. So for a precise picture, let's move to the 30 minutes now. So this is the 30-minute chart, and we can see that the price is moving into the upside direction, and currently we are reacting from this zone right here which had taken the liquidity of all these equal lows and moved into the upside direction, unmitigated wick right at this zone, and currently the price is moving into the upside direction, and we are having this strong low right at Asia's low. So if we are going to break the Asia low, most likely I'll be anticipating the price to move into the downward direction, since we took a sharp turn from this area, giving a huge momentum into the market. So most likely I'm anticipating the price to take all these equal lows if we are going to break the order flow into the 15 minutes structure or the 30-minute structure. So what could be our possible scenario? So most likely I'll be anticipating the price to respect this order flow and move into the Asia high and take the Asia high and then break below the Asia low, giving us a bearish bias into the market. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.